Caught in 4K, Karen. Ubiquiti AI Pro camera doesn't Mississippi. Even at night. You're juggling deadlines, house chores, and random Amazon packages showing up, yet somehow your so-called smart camera can't even catch a porch pirate in broad daylight. Motion alerts? Late. Video feed? Potato quality. Night vision? Looks like Bigfoot footage. You're out here trying to protect your home or business, but the tools are failing harder than dial-up internet in 2025. Frustrated? Yeah, we get it. You deserve peace of mind, not pixelated guesswork and dropped connections. Security should feel like confidence, not confusion. Welcome to the upgrade your stressed out self has been begging for. Let's keep it real, your current camera might as well be a wall decoration. It's not seeing license plates. It's not identifying faces. And if someone shows up at night? That blurry blob in a hoodie isn't helping anyone. Meanwhile, false alerts are popping off every time a moth sneezes near the lens. Missed packages, property damage, sketchy drive-bys. How much longer are you gonna roll the dice on unreliable gear? If you're protecting your home, family, business, or your brand new Rivian parked out front, you can't afford to miss. Literally. The Ubiquiti AI Professional Bullet Camera, UVC-AI Pro, isn't just another camera, it's surveillance with a PhD. We're talking 4K resolution, 3x optical zoom, 82 feet of IR night vision, and AI so sharp it can spot license plates in the dark and tell your dog from a delivery dude. It's weatherproof, ultra-durable, and effortlessly runs through PoE or Power over Ethernet. Plus, two-way audio means you can yell at intruders like the boss you are, without leaving your couch. This isn't just better, it's an upgrade to Elite. If your current setup is meh, this is straight up whoa. Imagine this, you get a notification, instantly. You zoom in, clearly. You speak, they run. No false alarms. No lag. Just crystal clear footage, advanced AI recognition, and power you can trust in any weather. The UVC-AI Pro gives you razor-sharp focus, both literally and emotionally. Whether it's your home, your office, or your remote storage unit, this camera puts you in control, not guesswork. Want smarter security without the stress? Click now, dive into the demo, and let the AI Pro show you what your old cam couldn't. Here's the deal, inventory is tight and smart security is the name of the 2025 game. Don't wait for the next incident to realize your current setup belongs in the tech graveyard. Thousands have already made the switch to Ubiquiti's AI-powered surveillance system, and they're sleeping better for it. Don't be the shoulda upgraded guy in the next viral fail video. Be the one who saw it all coming. Act now, grab the Ubiquiti AI Pro, and start protecting your world like a true boss. Because in this game, you either see it coming, or pay for not seeing it at all.